Hello. Today I will tell you how to find out the squares having 4 or 6 at the units place. As I told you previously that finding the square of numbers having 1 or 9 at the units place, we have a specific rule. Same is the case we can apply having numbers 4 or 6 at the units place. Suppose we have to find out the square of a number 24 or of a number 26, or we can say finding a square of a number 74 or finding a square of a number 76. As I told you in the first case that finding the square of 20 is quite easy, here also finding the square of 25 or finding a square of 75 is quite easy. In this case what we can say, 5 at the units digit and there is any number like 35, we can say the square of 35 is 5 square is 25. These are the last 2 digits of the number, and the number at the tens place has to be multiplied by the consecutive number more than this. So 3 has to be multiplied by 4. So 3 4 are 12. So 1 2 2 5 is the square of 35. Suppose we have to find out the square of 65. So the square of 5 is 25, which are the last 2 digits. And 6 has to be multiplied by the next consecutive number, that is 7. 6 7 is 42. So 4 2 2 5 is the square of 65. Here also we can say the square of 25. So 5 square is 25 and 2. This digit we have to multiply by the next consecutive number. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 625 is the square of 25. Same way, the square of 75. 5 must be having 25 in the last 2 digits and 7 has to be multiplied by the next consecutive number, that is 8. So 7 into 8 is 56. So 5625 is the square of 75. In the first part, I told that the difference between the square of 2 consecutive number is always the sum of 2 numbers. So the difference of the square of 25 and 26 is 25 plus 26, and this comes out to be 51. So the square of 26 becomes 676. Here also the difference of the square of 24 and 25 is 24 plus 25, and that is 49. When we subtract 49 from 525, it becomes 625, it becomes 576. Finding the square of 76. Again, these are 2 numbers which are consecutive to each other. So the difference of their square is 75 plus 76, or it is equal to 151. If we add 151 to this, it becomes 5776. So the square of 76 is 5776. Same way, if you want to find the square of 74, the difference between the square of 74 and 75 is 74 plus 75, that means the total of 149. And when we subtract 149 from 5625, it becomes 5476. So the square of 74 is 5476, the square of 76 is 5776, the square of 75 is 5625. In this way we can find out the square of all the numbers having 4 or 6 at the unit place. Thank you.